Hi. So the question I got is, are e-cigarettes a better option to quit smoking, a healthier way to quit smoking? First thing first, e-cigarettes are banned in India. It was banned last year on 18th of September, 18th of September 2019, e-cigarettes were banned in India. And thank God they took this decision because e-cigarettes do not help in quitting smoking. It is just a myth. And secondly, uh, there is an interesting story behind e-cigarettes, and I want to say that. So for the first time, this around 1890s, around 150 years ago almost, this machine was invented through which they can make cigarettes. Before that, it was they were taking tobacco and chewing tobacco. There were no cigarettes as such. They were only chewing tobacco and cigars. So around 1900, so this cigarette, those machines were invented, and then this became very popular around the globe. During the World War, they supplied cigarettes to the military, to the soldiers for free, and they promoted it as the soldiers smoke. And across the globe, the feeling was sold that because the soldiers are smoking it, so you should smoke. For the first time in 1930s, it was discovered in Germany that smoking causes cancer. And these tobacco companies tried to suppress that news. But 20 years later, it was found in America, a similar finding came into light that yes, tobacco and smoking causes cancer. And when this news came, you just imagine for the first, it's a huge industry. And when this news came for the first time, these guys, these tobacco companies got very, very afraid of losing their market. So what they did is they, these researches that came out, where scientists linked tobacco to cancer, they funded their own researches. These tobacco companies made panels of scientists, independent scientists, though they were funded by them, and they found out that these scientists who were funded by tobacco companies, they found out that no, cigarette does not cause cancer. So there is a saying that if you can't convince the market, confuse it. When there was so much research by the scientists who found that yes, tobacco causes cancer, these tobacco companies created a confusion in the market because there was another set of scientists who was saying that no, it does not cause cancer. It was 1950s, 60s, 70s, 80s. It was this confusion that was there around the globe, whether it causes cancer or not. They created that confusion. In fact, they said under oath, these all CEOs of the top tobacco companies, that cigarette and nicotine is not addictive. They said it under oath that nicotine is not addictive. Thankfully, there were so many campaigns across the globe in Europe, USA, in India, and across the globe, there were so many campaigns that there are many health risks because of cigarettes and it should be banned. What actually happened in 2003 at the WHO convention in 2003, that they actually passed a resolution for tobacco control. And after that, you see that so many things happened across the globe. So in India, after that only it was smoking was banned at the public places and all that. In 2005, for the first time in the history ever, these tobacco companies admitted that nicotine is addictive. Before that, they didn't even admit this fact. that it is addictive. They admitted it for the first time in 2005, and they said that, yeah, now that we have discovered that nicotine is addictive, we would come up with better options. We would replace uh, this smoking cigarette, and we would replace it with some new methods of smoking so that people can quit it. And that is when e-cigarettes were invented. When they saw a huge market that now people want to quit smoking, they invented e-cigarettes, so that now earlier people were buying cigarettes, now they are buying e-cigarettes to quit smoking. And there was a so much halla around the globe that yes, e-cigarettes are very good. It helps you quit smoking. It was promoted around the globe like that. Indian companies launched, I think ITC launched a brand called Eon in 2014, e-cigarette brand. So what actually happened is these, but later everybody discovered that it is not only supplying nicotine, it is supplying many other chemicals. It is more dangerous than smoking cigarette itself. And thankfully, Indian government banned it last year, and it is now absolutely banned in the country. Nobody can sell e-cigarettes in India. Moreover, it does not help. It did not help in quitting smoking. See, why do you smoke? When you smoke, what goes inside? There is a addictive substance called nicotine that is there in the cigarette that goes inside. When you take e-cigarettes, when you smoke e-cigarettes, what you get inside is nicotine, and you cannot quit nicotine by taking nicotine. So e-cigarettes didn't work. In fact, e-cigarettes were promoted as a tool for quitting smoking by the very cigarette companies. But when the facts came, when everybody realized that it's a myth, it took the world. I mean, what? It started around 2005, 6. We saw these e-cigarettes to be there outside India. In 2014, it was launched in India, and it remained there for 5 years. The government took 5 years. It was banned only in 2019. Till that time, people believed that no, there is so much. It actually helps in quitting smoking. I had so many friends, I saw them resorting to e-cigarettes, who were trying to quit and who failed miserably because of this. So e-cigarettes do not help in quitting smoking, and thankfully, Indian government has banned it last year. Thank you.